So we have the square root of 9, root 9, all to the power of 4. So for us to resolve this, let's recall that our root 9 is equal to 3. So we have the square root of 9, root 9, and we have the square root of 9 to be 3, all to the power of 4. But when we have root AB, this is equal to root A times root B. So we have the square root of 9 times root 9 times root 3, all to the power of 4. So this will give us the square root of 9 times square root of 9. We have 3 root 3, all to the power of 4. So we have the square root of, we have 9 times 3, which is 27 root 3, all to the power of 4. So when we have a to the power of mn, this is the same as a to the power of m further raised to the power of n. We can split our 4 here to have the square root of 27 root 3, all to the power of 2 times 2. So this is the same as square root of 27 root 3, all to the power of 2 further raised to the power of. So this will cancel out this. We have 27 root 3, all to the power of 2. So when we have a times b all squared, this is the same as a to the power of 2 times b to the power of 2. So we have 27 to the power of 2 times root 3, all to the power of 2. We can split this to have 20 plus 7 all squared times this, cancel out this, we have 3. Let's recall, when I have a plus b all squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times ab. So we can expand this to have 20 to the power of 2 plus 7 to the power of 2 plus 2 times 20 times 7. And we have 3 here. So when we expand this 20 to the power of 2, we have 400 plus we have 49, and when we multiply through here, we have 280 times 3. So this will give us 400. We have 49 plus 280, which is 329 times 3. So adding up this, we have 729 times 3, which is equal to 2187. So let's take a shorter method. We have the square root of 9 root 9 root 9. So I have square root of 9 root 9 root 9. Our 4 here, we can split it to 2 times 2. Well, we have a to the power of m times n. This is the same as a to the power of m further raised to the power of n. So we have the square root of 9 root 9 root 9 all squared further raised to the power of 2. So when I have a times b all to the power of n, this is equal to a to the power of n times b to the power of n. So when this cancel out this, we have 9 root 9 root 9 all to the power of 2. So we have 9 to the power of 2. And we have the square root of 9 root 9 all to the power of 2. So our 9 squared is 81 times this will cancel out. We have 9 root 9. So multiplying 81 times 9, we have 729 times the square root of 9, we have 3, and this is equal to 2187. Thank you for watching to the end of this video. Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our solutions.